So today I'm going to show you how I kind of do my hair in I don't know what you call it, a crimpy, wavy look. This is fresh hair. I washed it this morning. The only thing I put on it was Moroccan oil. Okay. I just put 2 or 3 pumps of this on this morning after I got out of the shower. And then I let it air dry. Sometimes I blow dry it. Today I had time to let it air dry. Then I have really curly hair, and the style that I wanted to do today, I needed it straight. So I went ahead and straightened the really curly parts. This top part doesn't really get that curly, and it is the most damaged because I put the most heat on it. So I skipped this part, but everything else I did. This was what I used as a heat protectant. This is Beyond the Zone. I don't love this one. It smells okay, but I don't think I would repurchase it. I don't know. I just don't love it. I just don't feel like it's for me. So, but it does its job. I'm going to go ahead and pull up this half of my hair. I have loads and loads of hair. It's so thick. So I'm going to do several layers. If you have really thin hair, you won't have to do this many layers. So just go off of how thick your hair is. First, spray your heat protectant. Then you're just going to take small sections, and with your straightener, just bend make sure that after you go here that you don't want to go, you just need to make sure you make it wide enough to bend it the opposite way. I'm just going to continue to do this layer, and we're going to do this on the whole head. Okay, pull down the next layer. You might only have to do 2 layers, but I am going to have to do 3 or 4. So I'm going to go right here, like at my eye level almost, my eyebrow level. And my straightener is very square. I know most of you probably have more of like a round. I guess it kind of is round, but not like a chi. So I didn't even tell you what this was. This is a Nano titanium by, ooh, I can barely read it. BaBylissPRO. You probably can't even read that. It's like almost off. I've had this for like probably like 7 or 8 years, so. We're just going to continue this all the way around. Sorry about the lighting in here. I opened my windows, but it's like snowing almost outside, so it's dark out there. Okay, then we are going to do the top layer, except I'm going to part it down the middle. So I'm going to pull just enough right around that part because I want the top to be really close to my root. So I'm going to pull just this little amount up where I'm going to part it down the middle. So I'll have a little bit on each side. I'm actually going to section this. I want what's around my face to be pretty crimped. So I'm going to section just this front into 2. If you want along this top, I went down first so you can go up just to kind of give it, you don't want it to all flow together, so switch directions. Now none of your little crimp spots will not be perfect every time, just because of the position that you put the straightener in, but that's okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now if you have any like this that poke out and you don't want them, just go back and recrimp that end so it's poking in. Okay, now, oh, I missed a spot. Give me just a second. If you have any parts you go back and see that are straight, you can go back and do those. I just went ahead and I filled in the spots that I thought were kind of straight. So I'm gonna take this product. It's Redken Diamond Oil. I know you can put this on before you blow dry it, but I actually like to put it on at the very end after I finish my hair. I feel like it brings back some shine and some gloss. So don't do too much because you don't want it to like straighten what you just did. And rub it in your hands really well, and then I just like to rub it in the ends. Don't get it too close to your roots or it will make your hair greasy. So this is the finished look. So for me, this is almost too poofy for me around my face, and by the end of the day it will be okay, but for right now I am going to just pin back the sides. Just crisscross my bobby pins there. And then last, I have 2 different kinds of hairspray, but this is called Healthy Sexy Hair. And this is the weightless hairspray. And I use this one anytime I curl, or I feel like this doesn't make it crunchy. So if you're looking for a crunchy curl, use a different, or a crunchy hairstyle, use a different hairspray. But I feel like this just gives it hold without making it crunchy, and my hair still is soft. So I'm going to spray this on. And there we go. That's our finished product. So, bye!